I'm in sales administration in a company that sells electronics products in the US. The first half of the year has just ended, and I would like to analyse the results and get ready for a sales review. Here is a workboard that shows sales information for the last 6 months. By the way, Workboard is the next generation of dashboard that gathers business intelligence information that is dynamic, collaborative, and suggestive. It allows you to mash up data from any data source, whether it's SQL, Oracle, Cognos, Teradata, or even a spreadsheet. This workboard is based on the data model that is part of the corporate BI standard. Let's add the stock data that is stored in a spreadsheet directly to this workboard and build a new unified model so that we can look at the data from different angles. So we will open the modeling area of Necto. We'll open the original model that we have been using, save it as a new model, and add the stock information from the spreadsheet. And as you can see, the stock information has been added to our existing model. Now let's connect the information that we added with the one we already have. We will open up the Relationship tab and add a new one. We'll connect the stock information to the orders information based on the transaction ID. Click Apply and deploy the model. Now we have a unified model available for us and others to work on that has both sales information and the stock information. Now let's go back to the workboard we've started and add the new information for analysis. We will add a new Necto model that we've just created and we can now see stocks have influenced our sales. Here's a chart that shows sales depending on the product and the level of stocks available. Now let's add a navigation control that will allow us to further analyse the data. We will put it here on the right hand side. This navigation control is actually a slicer, so we will add a slicing component to filter the data based on distribution channel and geography. That's it. In just a few minutes, we've assembled a new and richer model to work on that included data from our corporate BI platform and ad hoc data from a different data source. And we now have a dynamic, rich workboard to start analysing that data.